Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to remove red notification dot on Android apps so your screen stays clean and clutter-free. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the Settings app. You'll usually find it right on your home screen or tucked away in your app drawer. Step 2. Now scroll down until you see the Notifications option. Tap on it to open the full Notifications settings menu. Step 3. From here, look for the App Notifications option. Tap on it to access a list of all your apps and their notification settings. Step 4. Inside this menu, scroll down the list or use the search bar at the top to find the app that's showing the red dot. Once you find it, tap to open its notification settings and make sure the Allow Notification switch is turned on. Step 5. After that, look for the App Icon Badge option, or it may just say Badge Icon. This setting controls the red dot you're trying to get rid of. Tap on it and simply turn it off. That's it. Step 6. There's also another quick way to do this. Go back to your home screen, find the app with the red dot, then tap and hold on it until a small menu appears. From there, select the little I button, that's the info icon, to open the app settings directly. Step 7. Inside this menu, find the notifications section again and tap on it. Now, locate the App Icon Badge or Only Badge Icon option. This is what controls the red dot. If it's currently turned on, just tap it once to switch it off. And you've now successfully removed the red notification dot on your Android app. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.